not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. If you're new on here, my name is Tonia. I'm a travel and lifestyle vlogger, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what apartments here in Dallas, Texas looks like. If you're new on here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button in case you break it, destroy it, and do whatever you like with it. And let's get straight into the video. Yes, I'm at work, that's why I'm all dressed up, but yeah, I'm on my way there now, so let's go.
It's fully furnished, so you can see, get a feel for what you're...
This is pretty.
Yes.
Well, mine wouldn't look like this because...
It'll be just a tiny bit smaller, just a tiny bit.
Okay.
You'll still have a solarium.
Yeah.
And you can, you know, use
Look at
it
the
all
view.
year round. You'll still have these right here. So therefore, you don't really have to do curtains or anything like that if you don't want to.
Yeah.
The solariums are
This is
pretty much
pretty.
big enough to where that you can, you know, do a whole lot with it.
Okay, so this is the kitchen area. This is nice. Ooh, this is luxurious. I love it. And this is like the bedroom.
Closet gonna be on your left.
Okay. So this is the bathroom. Hey. Got this. Okay. And in here is the walk-in closet. Okay. All right, got it. I would like to see one of the empty ones.
Okay, so we'll go to that now.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And then last we'll come down to the 8th floor to see you can, or you can do, you know, something with them. And we'll have in between $30 and $40 a month for that. So you still have a pretty good view.
Very pretty view.
The
Okay.
higher you are up, the better the view, I say.
Okay.
The bedroom is back here.
Yeah, so this is the kitchen. This is very nice. I like I made it. Oh, this is the only the cabinets. Is this electric?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. We got the fridge. Why am I getting excited? So this leads to the bedroom, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, so this should be like the bedroom area.
Yes.
Okay. And then over here we got the bathroom. Okay. The toilet. And this is the shower. Here is the closet. Okay, the closet is very spacious. And then coming out of the bedroom. Okay, got you. The living room, maybe put a couch there and a TV on this side, maybe.
Yes, there's a connection right there. Well, it's on both sides, really.
Okay, got you. This is nice.
Depending on what you feel.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
best part, which a lot of people love too. So, you ever, right now we're not doing guests, but, you know, when we are doing guests, then your guests will be able to have a wristband. But for residents, if you had a long day at work, you can come up here and you can enjoy. We do events up here pretty often, and we do play things like PG movies and the games and stuff like that on the big screen, so you can come out here and enjoy. There is a grill and everything like that for cooking.
And there's this is just a decor.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was an actual pool.
Yeah, no, a lot of people love the infinity pool. You get in, it is definitely meant for waiting, so you can look over. Without worrying about falling over.
So this is the actual apartment right here. It's beautiful. I love it. I don't know, I felt like the space was a bit small, but with all this I think I can overlook how small it is.
There's some of them that are dependent on the floor. I can send you the square footage because all of them are going to be different for the most part.
Oh. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. And I just wanted to go over some things real quick with you guys. First of all, no, I am not apartment hunting for myself. I just decided to show you guys what apartments typically look like here in Dallas, Texas, just in case some of you are planning to move out here so that you will have an idea. So the apartment that I just looked at is $1,300. That's $1,300 a month. So yeah. What did I think about the apartment? First of all, I love the amenities around the apartment. You know, it had a gym. Like, the best part of the apartment for me was the rooftop with the view. Okay, I love views. I love views. That really got me. So that's the best part of the apartment for me. It had a little pool. It has a lot of like places for you to like hang out around your house. Imagine you hanging out around your house and it feels like you're in a whole new place. Right in front of the place, inside, like right in the building, it's like a taco place where they sell like tortillas and quesadillas, like all of these Mexican recipes, they have them there. So like if I lived in that kind of apartment, I'll probably get fat, and I'm already trying to lose weight. So that was it for me. First of all, the apartment is situated in a very nice place. You see how nice that place is. So that's what I typically like most about the apartment. But there's a but. What I don't like about the apartment is that, like the particular one they showed me, the unit is very small. She did say that there are bigger units. So that was a 1-bedroom apartment. So it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. First of all, it's not the traditional kind of setting, so I don't really like, I don't fancy it that much. The space was way too small. I'm the kind of person that enjoys a small space. Like generally, even back in Nigeria, my apartment was quite tiny, so I like small spaces. But for $1,300 a month, like that was just way too small. I'm gonna show you guys the kind of picture that I had in my head when I was heading to go view the apartment. My bad, okay? I didn't like check out what the apartment looked like. When I went, the first thing that they kept advertising to me was the view. So that was what really captivated me, and that's why I went to go check out the apartment. So, but it's not the typical kind of apartment. Like the way the kitchen setting is, it's not like the traditional kind of setting that I would typically go for. It doesn't have like an island in the kitchen and stuff like that, so that's not typically what I would go for. But hopefully this video was helpful to someone. You have an idea of what a typical apartment in downtown Dallas looks like, how much it costs. And yes, that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new on here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Okay, see, break it, destroy it, and do whatever you like with it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Hey. Some exciting news. You see this? Your girl is now a licensed driver. Look who's 28. Me.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning